Alright, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Hopefully you are doing great and learning English in a great way. This is Porosh here today. Initially, I would like to ask you a question, which is, are you an English learner from anywhere around the world? If your answer is yes, then I have another question for you. That is, how is your English learning going on? Are you feeling happy with your improvement, or do you think you need more improvement? Let me know in the comments below. And if you ask me the same question, then I will tell you that my English journey is progressive and it's going on well. Although I need to improve my pronunciation, I need to improve my accent, but you know what? I study and practice English every day. That's enough for me. The way I am going, hopefully in the near future I will be able to improve my pronunciation, I will be able to improve my accent. So it's evening time, it's almost 11 p.m. I just finished my academic studies, and after that I told my younger brother Snigdho that I need to make one English video because it's been a long time I'm not making long content for my YouTube channel. That's the reason, without further ado, I come in front of the camera. As you can see, I'm trying to speak English in front of you. So in this video, I will try to show you how we can improve our pronunciation, also how we can improve our overall English by watching YouTube videos. So as you can see, now I am watching an English video on YouTube, and this is the very person whose video actually I am watching right now, and also I am trying to learn from his content. Probably you know him very well. He is very famous among those who want to learn English in our country, and I have been motivated from his content. That's why I want to thank him for his exceptional English journey. You know, he has a story. If you listen to his story, or if you watch his story, you will feel something in yourself. I can give you guarantee. So the thing that I want to tell you in this video, if we want, we can learn English by watching YouTube videos, because I have been learning English for more than a year, and it's been an amazing journey for me. Every day I try to watch many English videos on YouTube, and I try to learn from them. So in this video I will show you how we can improve ourselves by watching English videos on YouTube. So initially I will play the video first, and after that I will listen to it very carefully, and then I will collect some English sentence from this video, and then I will try to then I will try to say them in my own way so that I can improve my pronunciation. So if you have the willingness, you can practice English with me. Hopefully this will be so beneficial for your English journey. I know you are struggling with English. You know, in our country there are so many people who want to learn English, but for some reasons they are not being able to improve their English. And since I have some experience regarding learning English, that's why I am trying to make English video every day, so that I can make your journey a little bit better, because it's my responsibility. You are my brothers and sisters, so if I want, I can help you. So that's the reason. So without further ado, let's play the video and let's collect the first sentence. Okay, just a second, I need to play the video.
I'm trying to learn. I'm learning, and also at the same time I'm also inspiring everyone to.
Okay, the first sentence is, I am learning, at the same time I am inspiring every one of you. I'm learning English, at the same time I am trying to inspire every one of you. So this is the way how we can improve ourselves. If we want, we can copy the native speakers, and the way he actually speaks is truly mind-blowing. I actually follow him because of his English accent, because of his clear English accent. I can understand each and every words from him. So that's why I try to follow him. And if you want, you can also visit his YouTube channel. You will find many videos and you can watch those videos. Also, he tries to make motivational videos. So if you want to motivate yourself, you can also watch his video. And you know what? He has proven that it doesn't matter where you are, or it doesn't matter what is your position. If you have the willingness, if you have the self-power, if you have the willpower, you can do anything, whatever you want to do in your life. You know, he is from village. And you know, it's not so easy to do this type of things from village, but he has proven it, that it is possible if you have the self-confidence, if you have the self-power. So if you want to learn English, you need a strong mindset. Just try to make a strong mindset like me, or like our Doyal Chandra Dada. You will get so many things in the near future, or you will be able to improve your English. So that's the thing. So let's play the video again, and let's collect another sentence and try to practice English with me. This is the high time you can practice English with me. So just try to practice English with me.
So in this case, I have been focusing on my pronunciation.
Okay, in this case, I have been focusing on pronunciation. Actually, we try to speak this way, like in this case I have been focusing on pronunciation, but no, this is not the right way. We should, as we are learning spoken English, so we need to we need to speak English like this way. In this case I have been focusing on pronunciation. In this case I have been focusing on pronunciation. This is the actual way. I mean, if you want, you can follow me. This is the way how we can improve our pronunciation. You know, my English pronunciation or my English accent is also not good. That's why I am giving more time to improve myself. I am focusing on pronunciation. Yeah. So in this case, I have been focusing on my pronunciation, on my English accent, so that I can make myself better in spoken English. So that's the thing. English is so easy if you have the willpower, if you have the willingness to learn it. And you know what, every day I try to make English video. Like, if you compare my old videos with my new videos, you will find a massive progress, and truly I'm really satisfied with it. Although sometimes people tell me that, Porosh brother, your pronunciation is not up to the mark, you need to improve it. Yeah, I know it, but you know, I will never get success overnight here. I need to maintain a process, I need to go through a struggle, and I am trying, like, that's why I am improving every day, step by step, you know. So you will never be able to improve your English overnight. So just try to maintain a process. You know, if you have the patience, then something great will happen. Okay, so just try to believe in yourself and try to practice and study English every day. Okay, so that's the thing. If you want, you can watch his content every day. I hope you will be able to motivate yourself. Also, you will be able to improve yourself. It's really a hot and blazing day in our city. As you can see, I'm sweating. The fan is off. Actually, the fan is off because if it's turned on, the video's audio will be super bad. That's why the fan is off, and I'm really sweating right now. But nothing to do. If you want to do something great, then you need to do some hard work, and I always try to do hard work. That's why people love me, people try to encourage me, and I am truly happy and proud that you are watching my video and you are trying to inspire me. I am not fluent English speaker yet, but still every day I'm trying to learn, every day I'm trying to improve myself. And I have been motivated so many people for learning English, and it's really an exceptional thing for me, and I'm truly happy for this, you know. So that's the thing. I mean, if we want to make ourselves better, then we need to do something that we never did before. Okay, so that's the thing. Well, so that is the thing.
I have been focusing on my voice, that how can I make it better, how can I make it even more better.
His English accent is really mind-blowing. I try to copy him, although I'm not being able to copy him properly. But I hope I am trying to improve my pronunciation. So maybe it will take some time, but I have the patience. So I am very hopeful that within a very short time I will be able to improve my pronunciation. Yes, that's the thing. So I want to thank him, my younger brother Snigdho, because he is helping me to record this video. And you know what, whenever I get some free time, I always try to speak English with my younger brother Snigdho, and he is also really good at English speaking, and I'm also trying to help him so that he can also make himself a better one. English is really necessary and essential for our everyday life, for our national life, for our international life, and you know, if you want to take higher education, then you need to learn English. You need to know how to speak English, because books at high level are written in English. So if you don't know how to speak English, then you will never be able to go abroad or communicate with foreign people. So that's why it's really necessary. And I think if you want, you can learn English like me. You know, I never ever went to any coaching center for learning English. I didn't go to any coaching center. I am learning English by my own self, by my own hard work, by my own resilience. I have a strong resilience, I have a strong aspiration. That's why I am being able to do something like that. Yes, and I'm truly happy because you always try to help me, you always try to support me, you always try to love me, and I also love you very much. And hopefully we all together will do something better. If I can speak English, if I can make videos like this, then why not you? Just believe in yourself and everything will be possible. So work hard, stay focused, and just try to learn every day. That will be enough for you. You don't need to do so many things. Just try to learn every day. Just try to practice English every day. If you want, you can go somewhere where there is no people, there is no noise. Just try to explain all the things in your own words. Initially, if you make mistakes, you don't need to worry too much. day by day it will be okay. Initially I found English difficult, but I didn't let it stop me. I can remember when I started making video for the first time, I used to make so many mistakes, but I took all the mistakes very easily, very positively, and I always try to learn from my mistake. Maybe it's been maybe more than 8 or 9 minutes I have been speaking in front of you in this video. Probably I have made maybe 3 or 4 mistakes already, but later I will try to find out my mistakes, and I will try to overcome them. And whenever I watch this kind of video on YouTube, I feel motivated to make video. Also, I feel motivated to speak English. That's the reason I cannot but make video every day. Well, so I think it's enough for today. I hope if you want, you can practice English like me every day, or if you want, you can watch video like this on YouTube, and also you can improve yourself. So that's all for today. I'm really tired right now. I'm not being able to speak English properly. As you can see, my condition right now is not good. So if you found this video helpful and beneficial, please consider to subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. It will be a great thing for me. Every day I'm trying to share my own ideas with all of you. So hopefully my ideas will be super duper helpful for you, and you will be motivated from my content, from my English speaking. And if you want, you can implement whatever you are learning from my videos, and you can also make yourself a better one. So just try to make yourself better. Just prove people that you are also capable to do something that you want to do in your life, that is your dream. Just try to follow your passion, because not everyone is able to follow their passion. If you can follow your passion, then you are really special. I have been following my passion for a long time, and the way I am going, something good is waiting for me. I know it very well. And also I am trying to inspire people, and my parents, all the family members are really very happy for myself, for my own English journey. And you know what, later I will show it to my parents that I have made one English video at our home. So that's all for today. Always be powerful, be passionate about learning English, keep learning, keep shining. That's all for today. It's time to take dinner, it's time to edit my video. Later, maybe tomorrow, I will upload it on my YouTube channel. So I hope you will watch it, you will enjoy it, and see you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. See you.